So today's vlog is basically just going to be me cleaning the truck. I haven't done it in a while. I've ran it through the car wash a few times, that's about it. I've not cleaned the inside of it. It needs it. I've not done it since I've been on a few road trips and with some friends. And I've had my dogs in here too, so yeah, it definitely needs cleaned. So, uh, hope I don't bore you too much doing it. First, I'd like to say Mahaban, and to all of my uh, friends celebrating Ramadan, happy Ramadan. Uh, and also, I know a lot of people have a problem with these car washes. This is a daily driver. Uh, it's not a classic car. Um, I could understand people having a problem driving classic cars through car washes that touch your vehicle. But a daily driver, I mean, in 5 and 10 years, you're gonna have to do paint corrections anyway. So I don't see a problem with this. But with that said, I've not had any scratches. I've not seen any swirls. I think this car wash does a great job. It's in my hometown, and I like it. It's called Flying Ace, and it does a good job. And when you're in your 30s like I am, it's nice to just run it through the car wash, then take it home like I'm about to polish it up and make it look even nicer. And the best thing about this is free vacuum, so you can take your time sweeping out the whole car. Y'all didn't know, this is Charlie Boy. He has a tumor, cancerous tumor. He's passing away. Getting pretty weak, but he's still my best buddy. Been for 8 years. He's gonna lay out here while I clean the truck up. It's a good boy. In case you're wondering, the products I usually use, my number one go-to is Meguiar's, and my number two is Turtle Wax. I usually stick with those brands unless I cannot find them. I'll hop back and forth for anything for like my tire spray, but other than that, I'm pretty much brand loyal when it comes to my cleaning supplies for my cars. Now when it comes to waxing and polishing and put ceramic coats on the outside of the vehicle, I only do that maybe, I don't know, twice, 2 or 3 times a year at most. Other times I think the car wash is good enough to keep the paint looking nice. And we have 4 seasons here in Ohio, so usually right around springtime I'll put a nice coating of wax polish and some ceramic on it, and in the spring, and then I'll do the same thing in the fall, and if I'm bored sometime in the middle of summer or winter, I'll do it again. But yeah, other than that, it's usually just driven through the car wash, and then I polish up all the interior and kind of put some things on the fabric and carpet and polish up all the plastics on the outside. And works out pretty good for me. I think my cars look pretty new all the time. As you can see, this truck right here has got over 100,000 miles on it now, and looks pretty nice for 100,000 miles. Just as long as you clean it every so often, they'll look good for a lifetime. This is what it's like cleaning my cars. Charlie went next door to my aunt and uncle, so the little ones came out to the front porch. Huh. truck is done. I think it's not supposed to rain for 2 more days, so should be good.